So why do I think we're closer to recession than most? Well, I'm going to make this simple and sweet. That might not be so sweet. So my name is Dan Frio. I do the rate update every day to inform you guys everything real estate, especially when it comes to the financing options that you have. So let's get over without further ado why I think a recession is right around the corner. The first thing we see is, what is a recession? So this, when I Googled it, this is the first thing that showed up. You're going to see right here, the common definition is 2 consecutive quarters of decline in the GDP. But it also says, look down here, feature shrinking production, higher unemployment, price levels going up, and also wage growth decreasing. Well, think of those. All right, now let's go through this. Right now we're seeing the stock market's just getting pounded, and we're just ticks away from a bear market in the stock market. Mortgage rates are at a decade high. You can see right down through here with the chart. This is actually the report I use, or the forms I use every day to do my rate update. Okay, the economic calendar for just today alone, we're seeing the initial jobless claims. They came at 218,000. Expectations were 200, and the previous reading was 197. So we have initial jobless claims on the rise. Okay, this is initial. So somebody who filed for the first time ever. You go through here, but here's the intriguing part. If you just Google the news, look at the mixed data that you have here. Jobless claims in the US climbed to highest level since January. Well, it's only 3 months ago. Okay, so all right, US unemployment claims climbed to fourth month high of 218,000. Okay, basically a repeat this, different wording. Then you go down through here, US weekly jobless claims rise. Continued claims, lowest since 1969. Okay, continued claims mean people that are continually on unemployment looking for a job. Well, those are decreasing. Those people are finding jobs, but you have a lot of people filing for initial or first-time claims. The next thing we go is manufacturing survey. The employment index decreased, okay, with the pricing indexes remaining elevated but edging down. The survey featured index remained positive, but reflects muted optimism for growth over the next 6 months. For the next 6 months, they're saying in the manufacturing sector, there's a lot of uncertainty there. GDP, well, we already had our first quarter of GDP. Second quarter ends the end of June. What does this GDP numbers look like right now so far? Negative. So that would be 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth. The Treasury Yield is another indicator that a lot of people follow. If there's an inversion, that signals a recession. We have an inversion right here. It's only one little speck part of this equation, but it is also another indicator that we watch. Here's where we were in 2020. Here's where we were in 2021. It's getting better, but we're still not there. The next thing is wage growth. Here's what we're seeing in wage growth. April 2021 to now, a steady decline. Okay, so when we go back to the definition, see what that definition is. Again, it's 2 months of quarters of negative GDP, where we are. We have shrinking production. We saw the manufacturing numbers, higher unemployment, initial jobless claims are up, and lower prices. We're not seeing that. But again, it also comes with a reduction in earnings. So all of this, we have about 4 or 5 different indicators, with most of them, almost all of them, signaling a recession within a month or 2. So what's going to happen is most recessions lag, meaning the news, media, everybody is not going to really say we're in a recession. It's normally they come back and they say, oh, we're now showing that Q1 and Q2 of 2022 were negative GDP, thus technically signal that we're in a recession, or that we were in a recession. So that's my report for today. So if you like my reports, you can sign up for my newsletter. It's free. It's down below. All you have to do is click down below in the description part, and you're going to get this newsletter every day, just giving you a ton of information. And it's this, along with a ton of other pieces of the puzzle. Goes through right here. It gives you the updates throughout the day, technical analysis, where the MBS market is, where mortgage rates are, and the economic calendar for today, and more. But if you'd like to find out more about me and my team, just go to therateupdate.com. and you're going to find everything you need to know there. We're a mortgage broker serving basically the whole United States at this point, and we would love to help you. So God bless. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.